The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse starts at mere $41,995 and can reach up to $56,795, depending on the trim level and selected options. Truck, engine, transmission, and performance. Every Traverse is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, while all-wheel drive is available as an option. The rugged Z71 trim enhances off-road capabilities with a twin-clutch all-wheel drive system, unique suspension tuning, all-terrain tires, and drive modes tailored for various terrains. During our test drive, the Traverse's own steering felt slow and truck-like, which wasn't particularly engaging. However, it delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, ideal for families. The braking system provides a firm pedal feel with reassuring stopping power, and the suspension helps minimize body roll for a stable driving experience. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Designed with families in mind, the Traverse offers a spacious and versatile cabin. Most trims accommodate 7 passengers high with second-row captain's chairs, while the ELT trim notch offers an 8-passenger configuration with a bench seat. Even the third row provides sufficient space for adults, with a seat height that prevents an uncomfortable knee-up seating position. The cabin includes several large storage compartments, such as a center console storage bin, located ahead of the cup holders, and an additional compartment beneath the console, accessible from both the driver's and passenger's side. With the seats folded flat, the Traverse boasts over 97 cubic feet of cargo space, making it one of the most storage-friendly SUVs in its class. Once we conduct a cargo test, we'll see just how many carry-on suitcases fit inside the Traverse's expansive interior.